Have you ever found it hard to stay focused while working or studying? The Pomodoro technique might be the simple solution you need. Developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s, this time management method is both easy and effective. The idea is simple: work for 25 minutes, then take a short 5-minute break. These focused work sessions are called Pomodoros, named after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer Cirillo used. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, usually 15 to 30 minutes. This helps your brain rest, recharge, and stay productive for longer periods. So why does the Pomodoro technique work so well? First, it reduces distractions. When you know you only have 25 minutes to focus, it's easier to avoid checking your phone or switching tasks. Second, it trains your brain to work with time instead of against it. It creates a sense of urgency, which often helps boost focus and motivation. Third, it prevents burnout. By taking regular breaks, your mind stays fresh and energy levels remain stable. Getting started is easy. All you need is a timer. You can use a physical timer, your phone, or a free Pomodoro app. There are many online tools available that even track your completed sessions. Here's how to start using it. Choose a task you want to work on. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work until it rings. Take a 5-minute break. Stand up, stretch, or grab some water. After 4 sessions, enjoy a longer break. Repeat this cycle throughout your day to stay focused and efficient. The Pomodoro technique is perfect for students, remote workers, writers, programmers, anyone who needs help managing time. It turns big tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. It also helps track progress and celebrate small wins throughout the day. If you've never tried it before, give it a shot. You might be surprised how much more you can get done with just a timer and a bit of structure. That's the power of the Pomodoro technique. Simple, focused, and effective.